Welcome to the latest update program of Drishti IAS. In this series, the topic of discussion is International Democracy Day. September 15 is celebrated as the International Day of Democracy across the globe. In 2007, the United Nations General Assembly, that is UNGA, resolved to observe 15 September as the International Day of Democracy. The main aims of International Day of Democracy is to promote and uphold principles of democracy. Democracy is the system in which the government of a country is elected by the people. It provides the natural environment for the protection and effective realization of human rights. Note that the link between democracy and human rights is mentioned in the Article 21(3) of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Moving on to the history, Day of Democracy owes its existence to the Universal Declaration on Democracy, which was adopted on September 15, 1997 by the Inter-Parliamentary Union, that is IPU. Inter-Parliamentary Union or IPU is an international organization of national parliaments. Qatar led efforts to promote an International Day of Democracy. Finally, on November 8, 2007, the UNGA adopted the day as International Day of Democracy. The IPU suggested that the occasion will be celebrated on September 15 every year to commemorate the adoption of Universal Declaration on Democracy 10 years prior. The first such celebration took place in 2008. Every year, events take place under an individual theme. In 2020, the theme was COVID-19, a spotlight on democracy. This year, the UN will focus on strengthening democratic resilience in the face of future crises. This day plays an important role in highlighting the important role of parliaments and to celebrate their capacity and mandate to deliver on justice, peace, development and human rights. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.